Welcome to Creating Inner Beauty. I'm so glad you're here. This goddess-guided meditation is an invitation to reconnect with your confidence, inner strength, and personal power, guided by the energy of the goddess Sekhmet, the ancient Egyptian goddess of power, protection, and fierce healing. Sekhmet is often misunderstood as only a goddess of war, but at her core, she is a goddess of healing and a guardian of authentic truth and personal power. She helps us release what diminishes us and return to the strength that already lives within us. Find a comfortable position for this meditation. You can be seated or lying down. And then when you are ready, allow your eyes to fall closed. And let's begin with taking some slow, deep breaths together. Big inhale and exhale. Let's do this twice more. Big breath in. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply at your own natural rhythm. Just begin to allow your mind to slow down, your body to soften and relax even more, and then set the intention for your energy to come completely into this time and space, this present moment, calling it all back to you now, cleansed, refreshed, and purified. So picture, feel, or just intend that your energy return back to you from wherever it's been throughout your day-to-day, throughout your week, people it's been with, places, situations, or even any past versions of you. It no longer serves you to have your energy be with. Calling it all back to you now. And as your energy returns to you and comes completely into this present moment, feel yourself becoming more and more calm, more and more centered and present. And in your mind's eye, you may even see your own energy field begin to glow a little bit more brightly. Now gently bring your awareness and your attention down into your root chakra, located at the base of your tailbone. And out of your root, picture, feel, or intend a golden cord of your energy flows down through the ground, into the earth, down through all the layers of her soil, down, 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 until you connect deeply into the heart, the core of Mother Earth. And Mother Earth welcomes in your energy. She gently tugs you down a little bit more deeply yourself feeling more and more anchored, rooted, grounded, and supported in this moment and always. And now gently bring your awareness and your attention up to your crown chakra, located above the crown of your head. And picture, feel, or intend lifting up a golden cord of your energy so that it flows up through your roof into the sky, up, 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 up into the highest realms, connecting to the source of divine love, your higher self, your angels, your guides, and to the goddesses. Know that you are watched over, guided, loved, and supported in this moment and always. And now in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing at the entrance of an ancient Egyptian temple. The tall stone pillars rise around you, etched with symbols of strength, truth, and divine authority. The air is warm. Golden light flickers from torches along the walls. This is the sacred temple of the goddess Sekhmet. As you step inside the temple, feel the ground beneath your feet. Solid stone holding centuries of devotion and power. With each step forward, you are leaving behind doubt, hesitation, and the need to shrink yourself. You are entering a sacred space where your power is welcomed. At the center of the temple, you sense her presence. Sekhmet appears, lioness-headed, radiant, calm, and fiercely unwavering. She does not rush toward you. She does not demand anything from you. She simply sees you. Her gaze is steady and clear, free of judgment, expectation, or any kind of fear. Notice how your body responds in her energy and presence. Perhaps your spine straightens. Perhaps your chest lifts. Perhaps your breath deepens. Sekhmet recognizes your strength, even if you've forgotten it. And the goddess greets you, and she invites you to bring awareness to any place within you where confidence has been blocked or dimmed. This might show up as self-doubt, fear of being seen, hesitation to speak or take up space, or old experiences where your power was shut down or criticized. You don't need to relive the story. Simply notice where this lives in your body. Now imagine the goddess Sekhmet placing a warm, steady hand just above your solar plexus, the center of your personal power, will, and confidence. As you inhale, imagine drawing strength into this space. As you exhale, imagine releasing old fears, limitations, or beliefs that no longer belong to you. Inhale Sekhmet's strength. Exhale doubts or fears. Sekhmet's energy does not force. It burns away what is false, what is not truly, authentically you. Let anything that dims your life dissolve into her warmth, into her fire. Now bring your full awareness to your solar plexus, that space just above your navel. Picture a golden flame igniting there, not overwhelming, not aggressive, just strong, steady, and alive. This flame represents your authentic power, your ability to choose, to act, to trust yourself. With each next deep breath, see this golden light growing brighter, stronger, and more stable. Sekhmet stands beside you, guarding this flame. She reminds you your power does not need permission. Silently or out loud, allow these affirmations to move through you. Let them land in your body, not just your mind. I trust myself and my inner authority. I am allowed to take up space. My confidence grows when I honor my truth. I release fear and stand firmly in my power. I act from clarity, courage, and self-trust. My power is steady, grounded, and wise. And now the goddess has a piece of guidance or wisdom for you as to how you can fully claim your power and confidence. So be open to her message and wisdom now. that Sekhmet's energy is not something you visit only here. It now lives within you. Each time you choose yourself, each time you speak your truth, each time you stand steady in who you are. Let's take a final deep breath together. Big inhale and exhale. And now begin to bring awareness back to your body. You can begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And then whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for showing up for this practice. Return to this meditation whenever you need to reconnect with your confidence, your clarity, and your personal power. If you'd like to continue exploring goddess-guided meditations for healing, empowerment, and alignment, I invite you to subscribe and join this sacred space. May you walk forward with Sekhmet's energy, grounded in your strength and truth.